Verify all parts are included in your clamp maintenance kit. You should have a clamp knob, a clamp stud, a clamp rivet, a lock washer, as well as a small clamp bushing for QF10 to QF40 clamps or a large clamp bushing for QF50 clamps. To purchase an Ancorp clamp maintenance kit and installation tool, contact an Ancorp sales representative. The tools required to service a QF clamp are a hammer, a 3/32 punch, a drill with a 1/8 drill bit, as well as an Ancorp installation tool for a 1/8 rivet. To begin, carefully remove the clamp from your system by twisting the clamp knob until the clamp is loosened. Next, use a drill to remove the rolled edges of the rivet. Stop drilling when the small ring of rivet material breaks free from the rest of the rivet. Position the clamp on a workbench, block, or another clamp so that the clamp overhangs the supporting surface enough for the old rivet to have enough clearance to be driven out of the clamp. Use the 3/32 punch and the hammer to drive the rivet out of the clamp. Discard the old rivet and stud assembly. Begin the stud assembly replacement by sliding the new stud assembly into the clamp. Next, insert the new rivet. Once the rivet is inserted, place the clamp on a sturdy surface, such as a workbench or block. This surface will serve as an anvil and will likely become dented, so exercise good judgment when selecting a surface. Once the clamp is placed, position the rivet installation tool on the rivet. Forcefully strike the top of the installation tool with a hammer until the end of the rivet is rolled over. Once the rivet is rolled over, clamp maintenance is complete. Carefully secure the clamp back onto your system, using a torque wrench to tighten the clamp knob to 6 feet per pound. Make sure not to over-torque your clamp, as this can elongate the stud threads or break the stud rivet. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your newly maintained clamp.